Okay, we are finally leaving Whittier and heading out to sea for 2 days of cruising along the glaciers. First one will be Hubbard Glacier. Probably tomorrow evening we'll start seeing it. Here's our view as we pull away from the dock and head out to sea. Would you like to say something, Ken?
Bon voyage.
Let's see if I can see our traveling companions down the line. There's Debbie,
There's
Nancy,
Bill.
there's Bill taking pictures of other people, waving at us. You're in my video. I should try to. Could have gotten them closer, couldn't I? Oh, I can get really close. Hey, Debbie and Nancy, wave. You're on candid camera.
Look at that, he's going in the church right in the middle of the river.
It's so pretty out there.
Get it. Shot of the front. Look how he's turning around. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. I can't really see it. Oh, there. Okay. People everywhere hanging out their balconies. Saying goodbye to Whittier. What a view as we pull away. So glad we got this balcony, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, some places do
Okay.
it because if it's a union like this, it's
More photos tomorrow as we cruise the glacier.